Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. Myself Shankar. Today I am going to explain about the basic definitions of mathematics in primary number system. This is very important for each and every math student. Means like those who are studying from ground level, means suppose if those are studying from at least sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. So, and also those are preparing from the starting. We need some aim. Sir, I want to go for IIT from. So, for that kind of students, it is really helpful. And also, normal students, anyone, the basics of mathematics is very important. So, here today I am going to discuss about, first of all, in primary number system, what are the natural numbers? So, natural numbers means in the name itself, in our nature, in our surroundings, so many things are there. These all things, how we are counting. Obviously, we are counting with one, right? And let us assume in front of me some books is there. Like, okay, these books, how I am counting? These books I am counting always with one. One, two, three, four. Okay, in my front of me, four books, two pens. I'm counting with one. That's why natural numbers are, we are writing from, starting from one, and it is going on, we cannot say. It is going on infinite. And suppose in front of my table, I told, okay, some four books is there. Okay, I am counting one, two, three, four. Suppose there is no books, what I am writing? If there is no books, if there is no books means I can say zero books is there in front of me. I can say zero books is there in front of me. So then that case, whole numbers we can consider. Whole numbers means it's starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, is so on. These all are the whole numbers. Again, natural numbers, again, we are dividing into so many subparts. What are those? Like, let us assume even number. Even numbers means in the natural number only, the numbers are exactly divisible by 2. Those numbers only we can say even numbers. Sir, what are those? Let us take 2, 4, 6 is so on. These all are even numbers. These even numbers, suppose if you are adding 0, like, so 0 also we can consider as even number. And the numbers are exactly like not divisible by 2, like 1, 2, like 1, 3, 5, 7. These all are what we can call odd numbers. Again, next I'm going to discuss about what is the factor and what is the multiple. That is very important. Factor means, so let us assume x and y are the two numbers. I am considering as x equal to some 6, and these, for this 6, which numbers are exactly divisible? Let us, I am going to write here 6 for the factor. I am going to explain about what is the factor or factors. Suppose I am going to talk about the number 6. Number 6 is divisible by 1, number 6 is divisible by 2, number 6 is divisible by 3, means 3 to the 6, and number 6 is divisible by 6. These numbers only limited. Factors are always limited, but multiples are unlimited. And I am going to write multiples of 6. Simple. Suppose the 6 is multiplied with first natural number. 6 1 is 6. This is the first multiple of 6. And 6 is multiplying with 2. 12. And 18. 24 is so on. These all are the multiples of 6. So I hope you guys are understood multiples and factors clearly. Now, I'm going to explain about what is the prime number now. It is very important, and also everybody knows this, but I'm explaining in my point of view. So prime number means the number having the factors 1 and itself is called a prime number. Like 1 and itself. Sir, what are those 1 and itself? Let us take the number 3. The number 3 is having factors 1 and 3. That's it. Factors just now only we discussed. Why? Because 1 is exactly divisible by 3 and 3 is also exactly divisible. And also you should remember every number having 1 is the factor. That is true. Why? Because every number is divisible by 1. That is, we know that, right? So that's why here factors and multiples, I hope you guys are understood. Next, here again the factors we are dividing into standard form and HCF. Standard form. The standard form means the whatever the given number, how to write in the standard form. And also after that, HCF is connected. HCF means what? We all of us know, highest common factor. That is also I'm going to explain. Next, here just now only we discussed about the prime number, right? And before that prime number, what are the twin primes? Twin primes means the number having the difference between the two factors exactly two, we can call twin primes. The difference between the two numbers exactly two, like the difference between the two prime numbers, better. That is, I can say clear. So twin primes means, like suppose number 5 and number 3, these are the what? Prime numbers. The difference is how much? 5 and 3? 2. So then we can say twin primes. I hope you guys are understood. Twin primes means the numbers must be prime numbers. The prime numbers difference is 2. I hope. Shall we take one more example of twin primes? Okay. 5 and 7. Can I take 5 and 7? The difference is how much here? 7 minus 5, that is equal to also twin prime. Next. I hope you guys are understood twin prime. And standard form. What is the standard form? Suppose 6 I can write 2 into 3. Product of prime factors. Then only that is only we can call standard form of the number 6. And how to find out the HCF of the two numbers also I will discuss that is. And again the standard form, if you want to understand standard form, first you should understand, like in the standard form only number of divisors we can find, and that product of divisors also we can find. And again, sir, what are the divisors here? Just now, divisors is also called as factors. And product of divisors, the product of divisors also with the help of small formula we can do that. And there is sum of divisors. Sir, how it is possible for small numbers? Okay, we can do. Suppose number of divisors for 6. So 2 numbers. And product of divisors of 6. 6. Product of divisors. Your divisor is how many? 1, 2, 3, 6. Suppose I'm going to write for the divisors of 6. We know that just 1, 2, 3, 6. The number of divisors of 6 is how many here? 4 divisors. Number of divisors of 6 is 4. And their product is how much? 1, 2 is 2, 2, 3 is 6, 6, 6 is 36 is the product of divisors. And sum of divisors, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. With the help of example, I hope you guys are understood. Okay. So for bigger numbers, how to do? With the help of some formulae. That is also I'm going to explain. And the LCM, least common multiple. And again, LCM here, prime factorization, writing multiples, and synthetic division. Totally with the 3 methods, with the help of 3 methods, we can do the LCM. And again, here, sum of divisors, what are the perfect number? What is the amicable numbers? I'll explain. Perfect number means the sum of the divisors are exactly double of that number. Like suppose, just now again, I'm talking about the 6 only. Why? Because 6 is our favorite number. So suppose here 6 factors are what here? 1 plus 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 6. I'm adding the numbers except itself, except the number 6. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 6. The total sum is I got 12. Then we can say 6 is a perfect number. And amicable numbers. Amicable numbers means what? The difference. That is, I'm going to explain that next video. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you guys.